New report published by the Sixth Amendment Center, a bipartisan national nonprofit, shows some alarming numbers related to the criminal justice system in Potter and Armstrong counties. Fox 14's Maggie Glenn explains some of the major issues the study found.
The Sixth Amendment to the U.S. Constitution guarantees that anyone charged with a crime has the right to an attorney, whether they can afford one or not. But the Sixth Amendment Center's new report shows some problems with representation here in Potter County.
In Potter County, we found a system where, in misdemeanor cases specifically, about 74% of misdemeanor defendants are processed regularly through the criminal courts without talking to a lawyer.
John Mosher, the center's deputy director, says many defenders were put under pressure to forgo their right to counsel and went on to speak to prosecutors directly in court.
We saw in Potter County specifically is that actually a lot of criminal justice stakeholders are uncomfortable with the process of encouraging defendants to forego representation at such a degree.
Discomfort, but no action, allowing the process to continue. Potter County Attorney Scott Brumley says he's not sure there's consistent agreement within the county that the report got everything right.
I don't agree with the harsh tone, particularly when we're the ones who asked for analysis to help us move forward.
He did say, however, that the county is working to fix some of the issues presented.
Our prosecutors need not be present during arraignments when unrepresented defendants come in on misdemeanor cases. We won't be involved unless the defendant tells the judge and executes a waiver saying, no, I want to talk to the prosecutor and I don't want my own lawyer.
Others are calling for more action. Ryan Brown with Blackburn and Brown says county officials have known about these issues prior to the report.
The problem is that the local officialdom will say that, well, we're working on these problems, we're trying to fix them. They've known about these problems for years.
He and his partner released a study on the misdemeanor system here in Potter County years ago. He's hoping this new report will shine more light on the issues.
Reports like this give a lot of weight to criticisms that we and a lot of other people are already well aware of.
The study proposed a few solutions, the major one being requesting that the state step in and take responsibility. Mosher says the absence of state oversight has resulted in this absence of local oversight. Live in studio, Maggie Glenn, Fox 14 News. Megan.
Maggie, thank you. The full report by the Sixth Amendment Center is nearly 200 pages and outlines many other issues, including how lawyers are incentivized. We've got a link to that full study over on our website, myhighplains.com.